Today we're going to be able to find the area of any triangle. Now, we know how to find the area of a right angle triangle. It's simple as area is half times base times height. But what if the triangle wasn't right angle? Like this. There is no right angle here, so how would you calculate the area? Sure, you could split up the triangle, try find a right angle, but that would actually cost you more time. There's a simple way to do that. So the formula is area equals half times A times B times sine C. Now, that may seem kind of hard to understand at first, but hear me out. So C is the angle between any two lengths. So let's say we have 12 and 14. The angle between that is 83 degrees. So that will be C. Now, there's three possible ways to calculate area. Area is half times 17 times 14 times sine 37. So half times 17 times 14 times sine 37. C is the angle between, and 17 and 14 are the lengths. Now, we can use the same thing with the other two lengths and the other angles, but we will end up at the same place at 88.3 degrees.